Claude AI Review 2026. The ChatGPT killer. Everyone is talking about ChatGPT, but quietly, Claude by Anthropic has become the AI tool that power users are switching to. In this review, I will tell you exactly why Claude might actually be better than ChatGPT for most people in 2026. What is Claude AI? Claude is made by Anthropic, a company founded by former OpenAI researchers who wanted to build AI that is safer and more thoughtful. In 2026, Claude comes in 3 tiers. The free version gives you access to Claude Sonnet, which is fast, capable, and surprisingly good at nuanced tasks. Claude Pro at $20 per month unlocks Claude Opus, the most powerful model available, plus projects, extended thinking, and early access to new features, and Claude Team at $30 per each per sev on adds collaboration features, admin controls, and higher usage limit. The biggest difference from ChatGPT, Claude feels like talking to someone who actually read your question carefully before answering. It does not rush to give you the first thing that comes to mind. It thinks, and that makes a huge difference in practice. Key features that set Claude apart. First, extended thinking. This is Claude's killer feature. When you enable it, Claude shows you its reasoning process step by step before giving you the final answer. For complex problems, coding tasks, or detailed analysis, this is incredibly valuable. You can see exactly where Claude's logic leads, catch errors in real time, and trust the output more because you understand how it got there. ChatGPT S01 model does something similar, but Claude's implementation is more transparent and easier to follow. Second, the massive context window. Claude can handle up to 200,000 tokens of context. That means you can upload entire books, long research papers, or huge code bases, and Claude will actually remember and reference them accurately throughout your conversation. ChatGPT's context window is smaller, and it starts forgetting earlier parts of long conversations. Third, projects. This feature lets you organize your work into separate workspaces, each with its own custom instructions, uploaded files, and conversation history. If you work across multiple clients or topics, projects keeps everything neatly separated. No more mixing up context between different tasks. Fourth, artifacts. When Claude generates code, documents, diagrams, or websites, it creates interactive artifacts that you can preview and edit right inside the chat. No more copying code to another window to see if it works. You get instant visual feedback, the honest pros and cons. Pros: CL writes more naturally than ChatGPT. Its prose sounds human, not robotic. The extended thinking feature gives you unprecedented visibility into AI reasoning. The context window is genuinely massive and reliable. Artifacts make coding and document creation seamless, and Claude is noticeably better at following complex, multi-step instructions without losing track. Cons: Claude does not have built-in image generation like ChatGPT DAS-DAO-E integration. The free tier has stricter daily limits than ChatGPT's free tier. Here's no custom GPT-style marketplace yet, though projects partially fill that gap, and web browsing, while available, is not as seamless as ChatGPT's implementation. My verdict: if you primarily use AI for writing, research, coding, or detailed analysis, Claude is the better choice in 2026. The extended thinking, massive context window, and the more natural writing style give it a clear edge for knowledge work. However, if you need image generation, a rich plugin ecosystem, or the most versatile all-around tool, ChatGPT still has advantages. My recommendation: use Claude for deep work and ChatGPT for quick tasks and creative projects. They complement each other perfectly. If this review helped you decide, check the description for links to try Claude and other AI tools I recommend. Hit subscribe for daily AI tool reviews and tutorials. This has been Patapo AI. Will see you in the next one.